Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete photos from Facebook. Just a quick heads up here, you cannot delete other people or other pages' photos, all right? But you'll have the option to hide it. Say, for example, you don't want to see this particular post or photo. Just go ahead and tap on the three dots right here and hit on hide. Hide post, and you won't be able to see the post photo from that page or particular person. Now, to be able to delete your own photos from Facebook, just go ahead and go to your profile, which is right here at the top right or at the bottom right if you're using iOS. All right. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and tap on your profile again, and you will be landed to your profile. Now, once done, go ahead and go to photos right here. If you want to, you can go ahead and navigate through the albums right here, videos, albums, photos, or tagged photos. All right. Say, for example, I'm going to type in my photos right here, and I'm going to scroll down. So I'm going to find a photo to delete, right? Say, for example, this one right here, I'm going to tap on it. Now, to be able to delete this specific photo, I'm going to go ahead and tap on the three dots and hit on delete photo. All right, tap on it. As you can see here, there will be a prompt. Are you sure you want to delete this photo? I'm going to hit on delete. Once done, as you can see, it is not available right now. When we go back to our photo album right here, as you can see, that particular photo is nowhere to be found in here. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.